Want to know how you can have a healthy salad in less than 3 minutes? The secret is meal prep. You spend a little bit of time prepping your food the day before, and then you're going to have healthy meals all week long. Let me show you how I make this delicious healthy salad in just a few minutes. So it is 12:11 and we're going to get started. I already prepped some kale the day before. A little bit of iceberg lettuce for a nice crunch. And now we're going to add some cabbage. Okay, and for me, that's the perfect amount for the base. Now I prepped some veggies and I cut up cucumber, bell peppers, and celery. So we're gonna go ahead and add some cucumber. I'll add 2 pieces. Some bell pepper. I want a little rainbow of colors in there. Okay, and a little orange. And let's throw in some celery. My body feels really good having broccoli, but I don't like eating it by itself. So I like to throw it in a salad where I don't even taste it, but my body feels really good after. It's full of antioxidants, very detoxifying. You know, cruciferous vegetables are one of the things that has helped my body recover from autoimmune disease. So let's add some broccoli. Okay. Oh, that looks amazing. Last thing to chop is some chicken. So I have some chicken thigh that I made yesterday in the air fryer. So I'm going to add 2 pieces in there. I'm going to sprinkle in some fresh cilantro. For healthy fats, we're going to add some walnuts. I'm going to top it off with a high protein dressing that I made with some Greek yogurt and herbs. And then just add that on top. So a little bit more protein, delicious flavor. I mean, you can just use your favorite dressing. And then you're going to give this a shake. Okay, that was 4 minutes. Wow, this is amazing. So in 4 minutes, you have this amazing salad. I'm going to show you a close-up. Now let's try it. Very refreshing, crunchy, delicious, tastes amazing. Just add your favorite ingredients. Chop up whatever you love, prep what you love, make it to your own. And really, if you want to just take a few minutes to have like a delicious, healthy summer salad, you can do it.